gentleman who did that, she did portrait of Helena, and he was here. Yeah, and that was from
Hulog.
that was,
Yan.
in the 60s. That's how Manila looked in the 60s from the viewpoint of the guard house. The Ulan Baco, the way you see there, they're quite well known, modernist painters now. And then the last
Yeah,
four
very
of my
good.
family members, they also dabbled in painting. That's my Jerry.
Yan pa.
That's his smallest, he has huge canvas in front of him. That's my
Ang galing. Yay. No more na. No more na. Hingi doon kay daddy. Hingi. 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 Hindi kasya.
And then the third one is by her
Balik mo yung kay daddy. Hindi man niya pera.